Hi everyone, this is DK, the author of DKEnglishClub.com. Learn to English, fluent English like a native with DK. So in this modern generation, everyone learn English, but the main problem is a thing they have not. The thing, do you know what is it? They have not good pronunciation. They have got not good vocabulary. So today in this video, now I'm going to tell you in this video that pronunciation, how to get the best pronunciation, and what is the main problem to not get the best pronunciation. Okay, so everybody is making video, means many people are available in this, or they are making this video, means another videos, they are making videos for YouTube for earning more monies. Okay, but some students, some teachers, some peoples are available that they have not good pronunciation. They have not good pronunciation. But if you have no good pronunciation, then you will never get success in this field. An English field, not in English field, in another language also. In another language too, you will not get that success. To get success in English field, in the language field, to make a conversation, means conversations field, you need to get a better pronunciation. Otherwise, not possible to get success. Did you understand? So I hope you have understood this pronunciation, how much it is important. How much it is important, do you know? Because without pronunciation, you will not be able to make the people understand. As if I'll speak, what you're doing, what you're doing. You understood well that he's speaking. What are you doing? You understood well. Am I right? But if I'll speak, what you doing? What you doing? Means it is not bro. It is listening like why you doing? Why you doing? Is it right? No. What you're doing? What are you doing? This is right. Because your pronunciation will tell you right thing. Means if you have no good pronunciation, then people will say like, huh? What are you saying? I'm not understanding. Please repeat. Please repeat. That's the main thing, alright? If you have no good vocabulary, no good pronunciation, then never you will be able to understand the people, means to make them understand people. Understood? So now I'm going to tell you that how to get a better pronunciation, best accent. For the thing, first label is you need to read the books. You need to read the stories and all this. If you read, I'm reading, means listen to me. You may read like this. As we know that English is international language which is spoken all over the world. If you will read the stories, if not the stories, you may read English, means English writers, you may read. Then means your pronunciation will better in every day, better and better and better. That will be go to higher position, higher label. Did you understand? You need to talk with the people with right pronunciation. As I'm speaking, in the first time, listen to me very carefully. In the first time I spoke, in this modern generation, everyone wanna learn English. Wanna learn English means want to. That is the pronunciation. That is international accent. Want to, we may speak in a short way. Wanna in a speed. What you're doing? I wanna work. I want to work. This is also right. I wanna work. This is also right. Do you understand? So you need to work for that thing which will give you better pronunciation. For the pronunciation, not for another thing. If you think I'm learning a language and I will work in reading, then no, you will never be able to learn a language, because through the reading you cannot learn. If you don't know that language, if you don't know the one word of that thing, then how will you read? You will not be able to read the thing. Alright? So to learn that thing, we need to know each and everything of that thing. That was not possible to get success in this field. So first of all, I told you that you need to read the books for that thing. If you read, then you will get best accent. You will get best accent. Alright? And to make the people understand, you may practice like this. You may practice, you may write the things, and you may repeat that. You may repeat that. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? How will you go to school today? Because it is raining. How will you go to school today? Because it is raining. And you need to understand the words, the letters of means of alphabet. The letters you need to check it very carefully. If I'll speak vocabulary, it is right. V for van. We speak like B. That is not good. Means that isn't right. Then how will I say that that is good? That is V, not B. V. Alright? You need to speak the words very carefully. Okay. So vocabulary. If I'll speak like vocabulary, is it right? No. This is not the right thing. This is not good. You need to speak vocabulary. 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 Alright? So I hope you understood well in this video that how to get a best accent, how to get motivate yourself through the best accent. You understand? So let's meet in next video. I hope you understood well. Thank you.